Hi, this video is continuation of recent video human reproduction. In that video I gave an introduction. Now I am going to teach about male reproductive system. See here in the human male reproductive system, a pair of consists of pair of testes and accessory ducts and accessory glands and external genitalia, male external genitalia. These are the male reproductive system consists of pair of testes and accessory ducts and accessory glands and external genitalia. Now here see pair of testes. Pair of testes are located below the abdomen. They are suspended into the scrotal sac or the scrotal pouch. Now here see the testes are oval in shape. Testes are oval in shape, which are the pinkish in color, which suspended into below the abdomen cavity, which in the scrotal pouch. This is the scrotal pouch. In the scrotal pouch, one pair of oval shaped testes are present. See, these testes are held in position by the tissue name is the gubernaculum. And moreover, here above abdomen is there. The two testes are connected with the abdomen by the one canal called as the inguinal canal. You know that inguinal hernia, general disease in the children we notice inguinal hernia. So here this is the inguinal canal. The two testes are suspended into the scrotal sac with the help of inguinal canal, and testes are held in the position with the help of the tissue name is the gubernaculum. Now testes are descended into the scrotal pouch generally, but embryonic stage, in the early embryonic stage, these testes was present in the abdomen only. At the time of birth, they should be descend into the or suspended into the scrotal pouch. But in some cases, the testes are failed to descend into the scrotal pouch. That is known as that condition is called as a cryptorchidism. Cryptorchidism means testes are failed to suspend in scrotal pouch even after birth also. That condition is called as a cryptorchidism, right? And actually, why testes are suspended to the scrotal pouch? Why should not in the abdominal cavity means we have a body temperature which is a 38 degrees centigrade or the 97.4 Fahrenheit. That temperature is not suitable for the production of sperms. That's the reason to reduce to below the temperature 2 to 2.5 degrees centigrade lower than the body temperature. For that purpose, testes are descend into the scrotal pouch. Then when you compare the body temperature and external environment, in this it should be lower than the 2 to 2.5%. It is helpful for the spermatogenesis process. Right? That's the reason they fail to descend into the what you call, they should descend into the scrotal pouch. The testes are when fail to descend into the scrotal pouch, that condition is called as a cryptorchidism. Now here see, this is about the testes, and next one, accessory ducts. Accessory ducts. Accessory ducts which arise from the testes, which are known as the first accessory duct is from the in the scrotum. In the scrotum itself, the testes are there. The testes are highly coiled. The tubes are there in that. We call as the seminiferous tubules. Seminiferous tubules. These seminiferous tubules which are present in the testes, they open into reta testis. These reta testis opens into vasa efferentia. Vasa efferentia opened into epididymis. Epididymis opens into vasa deferentia. Then vasa deferentia opens into ejaculatory duct. Ejaculatory duct. Then urethra. Right? So here, reta testis, this onwards only you can say these are the accessory ducts: vasa efferentia, epididymis, and vasa deferentia, and ejaculatory duct, and urethra. So here the sperm pathway also you can write in such way: seminiferous tubule to reta testis to vasa efferentia to epididymis, like that. Now vasa efferentia which present in the testicular lobules, it opens into epididymis. See here, epididymis consists of the three parts, which are the caput epididymis, and second one is the carpus epididymis, and third one is cauda epididymis. See, this epididymis actually it's a present posterior to the testis. If it is the testis, this is present here posterior to the testis, and the cauda, the epididymis provides the time for sperm maturation and storage time for the sperm. After that, it will be opens into, it leaves. Epididymis is a highly coiled tube, so it opens into the next part is the vasa deferentia. Vasa deferentia is a long tube which is made up of the stratified spermocell epithelium and lamina propria. This loops over the urinary bladder, right? The sperms are which travel through the vas deferentia. Then both sides they will form as a ejaculated duct. There only seminal vesicles are there, which can secrete the seminal fluid into the ejaculated duct. Then it is opens into the common urethra. Through that penis, it will be ejaculate into the female body part. So here these vasa deferentia and ejaculated duct. Ejaculated ducts are the 2 in number, and vasa deferentia also 2 in number, right? And urethra is the common only one tube, which can act as a both. It can pass the urine and as well as the sperm. That's why called as a human male system is a urinogenital system. Its length about the 20 centimeters, which can runs along the total penis part. Through that only urine as well as the sperm cells also ejaculate out. In the menstruation time, urine will be passed out in the same way, same route. During copulation time, the particular sperm cells also ejaculate out. So that's why human that system urethra, it can facilitate the both urine and sperm passage. That's why called as the urinogenital